We have been done with the home page and about us completed, but product page is a empty. Still we haven't constructed a product page. So we'll go to page here. We have already selected a product page. For example, you have a 5 products. For each product we need to create a one page. So first what we will do, we'll go to product page. We'll click on that three dots on the right hand side, you can see. Then go to a add subpage, add a subpage. Now we will give a product name. For example, we say that there is a one product name, then say done. So now you can see that particular product page has been shown. Okay, that portfolio management, that is a sub page within that particular product. In this product you can see here one arrow mark is added, in that one sub page is there. Now we'll edit that particular sub page. First select that sub page. Okay, then this is a header. Okay, it is correct. Then we'll change a image type here, change image, select. We'll select some relevant like a study kind of thing so that it will look better. Select, so it will be little bit relevant. Okay, then once we have been done with the banner, okay, now we need to add here in details. We know that what to be added. There is a heading. Okay, then course behind the 5 videos, and we have to give a small description, right? We have to give a small description. To add a description, again we'll go to insert, we'll add one text box. There we will copy this course description. We have been copied. Okay, this is about a one line about a course. We can move it that one below that particular management. Just we have what we have to do, we have to select here these dots and take it to a below that management. So we have been given a nice description also. Now we can make this as a opaque, remove the reliability adjustment like this, or we can turn on that so background will be little bit uh, opaque. Then comes to a writing what you will learn. Okay, to add that one, which one we will use? We'll use a text box again. Select, Control C, Control V. Okay, like this we have been added. Okay, here automatically it has been selected. If you like to change it to a number, you can select this one. Bullet, we can select this one. Okay, we'll change the background color to the light one. Okay, then again one more text. We will add a collapsible text here, and whose this course is for, that will be copied, added, again description, copied, added here. Okay, like this we have been added a section here. Okay, and we can also add the image of the product. Okay, we can go to image, select, select the image, which one you would like to add. We have been added here image of the product. Okay, once you have been added image of the product, again if you like to add a video, we can go to here placeholder, then say here plus mark, then we can say the from the YouTube. In the sense, this placeholder will be bundled with all these things. You can upload or select image, or from drive also you can select, or you can upload from the YouTube or maps also you can use here itself. We'll say we'll upload which video is relevant for you, upload that one, then we can move that one on top, select, drag it to here. Okay, again you can increase like this. Again this image size also you can increase to a fit to a that particular thing. Okay, like this you can do. And if you like to give a divider between these two image and this one, we'll select divider. Here it is added divider. Okay, there will be one line between a, it's separate that one, there is the about a divider. Okay, now we have been created one page, one product page we have been created. Now if you like to create one more product page, what we can do, we can say this one, we'll say duplicate the page. We'll click on that three dots on a portfolio management and say duplicate page. Okay, now it will be asked which, what is the product name. We'll say stock market. Okay, like this we have been created a two product. For example, if you like to change the name, here properties, you can make it as a okay, like this we can change here. Again we can change this one, like we can edit this page is belongs to, like this we can change the all the properties, all the image, everything we can change. Okay, one thing we have to observe here, when we go to preview. Okay, now if you are going to home tab, yes it is correct. About us also correct. Okay, about us also correct. But the moment you click on a product, you can see here two products are there. Okay, portfolio management, if you select portfolio management will be updated. If I say go to product stock market, stock market will become. If I click on the product, if I click on that just a product, if I'm not selecting anyone, but the empty page is there. Okay, we need to hide this particular page from the navigation. For example, you can hide that one, or we can say here hide from the navigation. Okay, this particular thing will be not shown, in the sense product tab will be not shown here. Either we can do, either we can say show navigation, it will be shown. If you like to show that one, we have to say like this. And if it is a blank, if you think that product section is blank, what we can do, we'll change it to a title only. Okay, then we add two images. We'll consider a layout. Which layout we'll select, we'll select this particular layout. Here we add a one, select from drive. Here one product will be selected. We'll give that product name like portfolio Okay, then here you can write something, a description about that particular product, like this. We'll select description about a product. We'll increase this, delete extra space, then we'll increase a size. Carefully we have to do. Okay, then we can add one more thing here, like if someone click on this particular product, it need to go to a product page. So what we can do, we select this image, here insert link, we'll select that particular product page, that is nothing but portfolio management, say apply. Okay, similarly for this section also, for any of the text also you can do that one, or else one more thing we can do, we can insert a button here. Okay, we'll insert a button, name of the button like no more. Okay, then link to that particular page, that is nothing but a product management page, insert. Then this button we will move to here. Now we will like this. Okay, now anyone click on that no more button, it will take to directly to that particular page. One more product here, two product we have been created, right? Similarly you can create a n number of the products. Okay, select insert. Okay, we have been inserted. Okay, here again we can say product name, will give a description about a product. Okay, then what we will do, we'll add one more button, button name learn or no more or buy now, all this kind of the link you can create. This particular link should direct to stock market page. Again we'll select that one, we'll place below that blue color line is nothing but where it would like to keep that particular button. Now here we have to place, we have been placed the button. Okay, now product page is ready. Here product page is ready. If you go to preview now, you can observe, if you click on this image nothing is happening, but if you click on this image it will take to a product management. Again if you click on this no more button, it will take to product management. Again if you click on this no more button, it will take to product management. Like this we can create a multiple pages. Here it has been hidden. Okay, we can say, we can show navigation, show in navigation, show in navigation, so that it will be show here if you click on that particular product section. If you say here three dots hide from navigation, it will not be shown. Okay, so we will make it as a show in navigation. These are the other layouts and buttons, these things we have been used. Okay, which is available in your Google sites. Okay, this is how we can construct a product page. Okay, next we will learn about how to construct a contact us page.